Hello everybody, how are you? Today I'd like to introduce this machine PVC where we take up winding machine. Here first step we start from here. This is PVC material and we put this PVC material here in this tank and then we come here. There are six heater to melt the PVC material in half liquid state, and then in this position, it will form to the shape, the Y shape, and here this tank still for the high temperature to make the shape more stable. And in this is the long tank for cooling the Y shape. And here we have a diameter tester to make sure the diameter is accurate or not. This is a diameter this is a diameter tool to make sure the size is right. And here this little motor to draw this wire from that end to this end. And here is where take up winding here. This and here, and then this is the product finish. This is the whole product line. It will help you to increasing your wire productivity. Okay.